Let's understand one of the most critical responsibilities of a business analyst, requirement gathering. If requirements are wrong or incomplete, the entire project can fail no matter how good the development is. So requirement gathering is not just asking questions, it is about understanding the business problem clearly and translating it into actionable requirements. In this session, we'll understand different techniques used to gather requirements, types of requirements, and how to prioritize them. Now let's start with requirement elicitation techniques. Elicitation means extracting or gathering requirements from stakeholder. First comes interviews. This is a one-on-one discussion with stakeholders. It is used when we need a deep understanding of specific requirements. For example, if we are building a banking system, we might interview a branch manager to understand operational needs. Second is surveys. These are structured questionnaires sent to a large group of users. This is useful when stakeholders are geographically distributed, for example, collecting feedback from thousands of app users, etc. Third comes workshop. These are group sessions where multiple stakeholders come together. It helps in brainstorming ideas and achieving consensus. Workshops are very effective when requirements are unclear or conflicting. So here the key idea is interview, which is depth, scale, surveys, workshop is collaboration. Now let's look at more advanced techniques. Observation. Here, the business analyst observe user performing their task. This helps identify hidden or implicit requirements, that is, things user may not explicitly mention. For example, in a hospital system, observing how nurses use software can reveal real challenges. Next, prototyping. This involves creating a basic version of the system. Stakeholder can interact with it and provide feedback. This is very useful when requirements are not clear initially. Next is JAD session, which stands for Joint Application Development. These are structured workshops involving stakeholders and developers. They help in quickly finalizing requirements and aligning everyone. Finally, document analysis. Here, existing documents like reports, system manuals, or logs are reviewed. This is useful when working on legacy system or enhancement. So, overall, observation is real behavior, prototyping is visualization, JAD is fast alignment, document analysis is historical understanding. Now let's understand types of requirements. This is a very important interview question. First is functional requirement. These define what the system should do. For example, user login, product search, order placement, payment processing. These are directly related to system features. And second is non-functional requirement. These define how the system should perform. For example, performance is page should load within 3 seconds. Security, any data should be encrypted. Scalability, system should handle 10,000 users. Availability, system uptime should be 99.9%. So the key difference is functional is what system does and non-functional is how system performs. Both are equally important. Now, once requirements are gathered, the next challenge is prioritization. We cannot build everything at once, so let's understand some techniques. First, Moscow method. Requirements are categorized as must have, which is critical for launch, should have, important but not critical, could have, optional, won't have is out of scope. Second comes Kano Model. This focuses on customer satisfaction, that is basic needs, expected feature, performance needs, better performance increases satisfaction, delight features, unexpected feature that impress users. Third is value versus effort matrix. This helps in decision making. High value plus low effort is quick win. High value plus high effort strategic planning. Low value plus high effort avoid. So prioritization ensures maximum business value with optimal effort. To summarize, requirement gathering is the foundation of any successful project. Different elicitation techniques are used based on the situation. Understanding functional and non-functional requirement is essential, and prioritization ensures we deliver maximum value efficiently. This is a core responsibility of a business analyst in a real-world projects.